Hi there, I'm Nathan Babinchek, Director of Watchmaking at Oak & Oscar. When you're putting the NATO strap on, take the long end, thread it through the spring bars from top to bottom, thread the long end again through the short end, you can see our writing is facing up. That means you have it on the right side. And when you're putting it on, you're gonna have a pretty long end to it. So put that through the clasp, pull it tight on your wrist. And if you have leftover, a long leftover strap here, thread it through the two keepers. And if there's a long tail here, fold it back over itself, thread it back through the top keeper, and then you have it here. So it's at the very end, could be this little zigzag of folds, and there you have it, our watch on a NATO strap. Let us know if you have any questions about anything that we covered today. We're here for you. Let us know in the comments, on Instagram, or by email. And as always, thanks for watching.